Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Arlo security cameras, quick installation step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Arlo security camera. Ensure all components are present, including the camera, battery, mount, and screws. Download the Arlo app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an Arlo account or log into your existing account. Once logged in, tap on the Add Device option. Select your Arlo camera model from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to charge the battery if it's not already charged. Insert the battery into the camera, making sure it clicks into place. Next, choose a suitable location for your camera. Ensure the location has a strong Wi-Fi signal for optimal performance. Use the included mount to secure the camera to the wall or ceiling. Mark the drill holes as indicated by the mount template. Drill holes and insert the wall anchors if required. Attach the mount to the wall using the provided screws. Now, attach your camera to the mount, adjusting the angle as needed. Return to the Arlo app. Follow the prompts to connect your camera to your home Wi-Fi network. Make sure to enter your Wi-Fi password accurately. Wait for the camera to connect, indicated by a confirmation on the app. Once connected, customize your camera settings according to your preferences. Set up activity zones, notifications, and recording schedules as desired. Finally, test the live view and motion detection to ensure everything functions correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.